how to find people who likes your page on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view people who likes your page on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and then scroll down until you find pages, and now click here, and then just click this one, and here we'll find this one, people and other pages. Click on it, and here you will find it, and click on it. Here you can review it, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.